Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Nobody believes because I don't have money. Ever notice how some people only listen when someone has money, fancy clothes, or a phone worth more than a spaceship? Why people sometimes ignore good ideas just because someone isn't rich? One, people confuse money with wisdom. Apparently, some people think a large wallet automatically comes with diploma in everything. Two, fancy packaging tricks. People, if rich person says stay positive, everyone claps. If you say it wearing old slippers, suddenly nobody hears audio. Three, society loves status. Some people listen to titles more than truth. CEO says hello equals applause. Regular person says hi, scene 12 midnight. For confidence looks expensive. People assume confidence comes from money. Meanwhile, broke people are caught here surviving with legendary emotional DLC. 5. Movies taught people weird lessons. Films made everybody think the richest person in the room automatically knows everything, even where missing socks disappear. 6. Some people judge too quickly. They look at your bank account before listening to your ideas. Plot twist, smart advice can come from anybody. 7. Quiet struggles are invincible. People don't see your effort, sleepless nights, or hard work. They only see the scoreboard. 8. Money creates instant attention. Say the same sentence with a luxury car nearby or suddenly people act like you discover gravity. 9. Humble people yet overlook. If you don't brag non-stop, some people assume that you're here, nothing valuable to say. 10. People follow crowds. If nobody important supports you yet, others hesitate. Human beings sometimes travel in emotional traffic jams. 11. Rich people get a benefit of the doubt. When wealthy people make mistakes is strategy. When regular people make mistakes, mission failed dramatically. 12. Experience doesn't always look expensive. Some of the wisest people learn through hardship, not luxury, vacations, and motivational sometimes. Smoothies. 13. Social media loves appearances. Online people sometimes twist followers, brands, and shiny backgrounds more than honesty. So if people ignore you because you're not rich, don't let that stop your growth. Skills improve, opportunities change, respect earned, true character lasts longer than a flashy appearance.